Hey everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I've got a lot of fun things to show you all. Some pins and clips and charms, tons of stickers, die cuts, and decals, so let's get started. First up, we have Villa Beautiful. This is the freebie journaling card that came with my pin order, and I love the quote that she put on here as well as this signature VB pin. First up, we have the Razzleberry pin. It has gold hardware, gold barrel, and this is the crystal mix. Some pretty purples and pinks. Next up is Cantaloupe, and this one has a peachy barrel with silver hardware. Here's a close-up of that crystal mix. Lots of pinks and iridescence in there. And these are all gel pins, and you can find the refills on her website. And probably my favorite of the three is the Honeydew pin. I absolutely love the color of this barrel along with the gold hardware. And here is a close-up of that crystal mix. These are just so pretty, and I can't wait to add them into my new Villa Beautiful pin cup storage, which I have a video tutorial on in my channel if you want to check it out. Next up is a small order from Pigtails Pockets. From her recent release, I picked up this baby pink glitter pip clip, and I really love the shine and shimmer that's on here. You guys know I love my Fox and Pip bows, so this is just the perfect combination of two of my absolute favorite shops. Next up, I have my very first order from Peony Papery. I wanted to show the packaging because I thought it was just an extra step and really sweet. On the back of this card, she included a handwritten note as well as a coupon for my next order. This is her business card, and here's some of her shop info. And then I was finally able to get my hands on these gorgeous Alice bows. I picked up the clip and the charm for my TN, and I think this color is going to look really great with my sugar cookie that I have from Foxy Fix. So I'm really glad to be able to add these to my charm and clip collection. I love the shimmer on these as well. I feel like they'll go with that pip clip that I picked up from Pigtails Pockets really nicely too. Another first-time order. This one is from Planner Press. I picked up one of her B6 dashboard pockets, as well as a coordinating sticker. This just layers right on top to give the pocket a bow pattern. I thought that was a really cute idea. I also got two of the journaling cards. This one is listed in the shop, and this one came as a freebie with my order. So we have Hot Mess Express and Relax, Refresh, and Reconnect. And then the backs of those are these really pretty minimalistic fashion girl illustrations. I think these are going to go great with the nap time setup I'm planning on doing for September. Got a fun challenge in mind for that. And I also recently subscribed to her Planner Press digital dash box, which is just a ton of digital art, inserts, tabs, all kinds of stuff to set up my planners with. It's really neat. If you haven't looked into it, you should. I've been obsessed with digitals lately, so it's something that I've been playing around with a lot lately. I also recently won this kit from Viv at Viv Loves to Plan. She did this collab kit with Shop Jessica Hearts, and it came out so gorgeous, so I thought I would do a flip through of that. So the first sheet I pulled out was the full box checklist, and the hearts have tiny little glitter borders on them. Such a cute detail. And this next one has some quarter boxes, checklist, flags, and the washi strips. I love the backgrounds, the photo backgrounds on here. I cannot get enough of the photo kits that have been out lately. Next up, we have the weekend banner, the half boxes, and some headers over here. And again, these backgrounds, they just kill me how cute they are. And so perfect for capturing the spirit of the planner community. Next up, we have some of the icon boxes, some more quarter boxes, build-do boxes, circle icons, and these adorable little flags. This next sheet is all about the washi. I love this, how she tied in the Happy Mail portion of it. So cute. Next up, we have the date covers, weekly trackers, some more headers, and then functional deco, which is always one of my favorite parts of every kit. I love this. And I can't get over how adorable this little laptop is. That's so cute. And of course, these stunning full boxes. I think that they just did such a great job of choosing really pretty planner photos and Happy Mail photos, just things that coordinate so well and really capture the theme of this kit. Thank you so much, Viv. I love this kit. Can't wait to use it. I will probably try and stretch it out over 2 or more weeks just so I can make it last a little bit longer. Next up, I have an order from See Amy Draw. This is the freebie journaling card that came with my order, and on the back you can track your orders. Once you get 15, you get a free full-size sticker sheet, which is a super cool perk. She also included a sampler sheet as well as a banner die cut with my name written on it, and we all know that her handwriting is goals, so gonna have to find a great spot to put that in my planner. And for the sticker sheets, I got a few pages of the shopping bags with the script. So here's Target, Bath & Body Works, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and then some chore scripts, bill-due scripts, and scripts for the car maintenance, which, I needed a really cute way to mark this in my planner, so this page was perfect for that. Next up, I actually have 2 orders from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co., so I will show you all of those. I got a few samplers. That's one from Annie's Code. Then there's the second one, and then I also had this one that was included that has the Digital Tuesday stickers on there. These 2 die cuts were also included in my orders. How cute are those? I love that little stack of washi. So for the stickers, we have the pouches that she recently released. The Rascog carts. I thought these would be great for marking those days when I actually get around to cleaning out my craft space. This Descape scene. Backpack, and then it has a little backpack with a traveler's notebook, coffee, washi, and a pen. This is also available as a digital in her shop. I grabbed that too. The Mom Life shirts, and I need to go back and grab the die cuts for these because these are too perfect. And then the field trip icons with script. I have the ones that are in pastel colors, so I had to grab these because I love the other ones so much, and now I just have more colors to match more layouts. Grumpy Bear was one of the very first shops that I purchased from on Etsy, so I've been a fan of her work for a long time, and I love adding more of her sheets to my collection. Next up, I have a few orders from my newest addiction that came in. These are some of the samplers. This is the Any Plan sampler, the Planner Sophisticate sampler, and the PR Team sampler. These are the 2 journaling cards that came with my orders, Life is Short by the Shoes and Good Vibes Only. And I grabbed another one of the Being Fabulous is Exhausting sticky note pads. These are rose gold foiled, and I can't get enough of these. I already have some, but I figured they're still in stock, so might as well stock up. Alright, I'm actually kicking myself for this one because I had misplaced it, I thought, and I was really upset, but oh no, it was just sitting in my to-haul box, which is where I stick all of my incoming orders until I have a chance to film them, so gonna have to do a little bit of back planning, but I love, love, love the foiling of her kits. Look at this, I could just wiggle this all day. So pretty. So I'm sure that you've seen already that my newest addiction is now on Shopify, no longer on Etsy. And also she has stopped carrying the non-foiled stickers, so whenever she had her going, gone section, I made sure to grab another sheet of these desk spaces because they are some of my all-time favorites from her shop. I love these so much. I also picked up some backup sheets of these 2 designs. These are another group of favorites, and I say that pretty much about all of her sheets because her style is just so unique and I really love using her stickers. And finally, I have some gold foiled script stickers. I have a whole bunch of the rose golds, and now I have a whole bunch of the golds, so slowly building my collection. She just added some hollow foils too, some pinks, purples, and teals, so even more to add to my stash. I've got Happy Birthday, Happy Mail, Meeting, No School, Payday, Sick Day, To Buy, and To Call, and she has a ton of options. If you look on there, between the script variations you can get and the different foils, it is just a smorgasbord of foiled perfection on her site. Next up, I have a few orders from Simply Gilded. This is one of the journaling cards I got, and check out that hollow foil. This is kind of a coordinating card, and it has the gold foiling on it. And this is the journaling card that came with my order of the Planner Sophisticate collab. These are the 3 foiled bow stickers that came with my order. So we've got a pretty pink, a purple, and a deep blue. This is a set of the Mermaid Queens, which has the teal and purple, and they had a lot of different variations. Mine came with the larger one, the purple on the bottom, and the smaller one with the purple on the top. So that'll be really cute together. I can stack them up really nicely. I also got the Purple Mist set. I missed it the very first time it released, so I was glad to be able to pick it up during the next one. And I finally got the skinnies! Well, the first sets anyways. I have more on the way from the most recent pre-sale, but I've been dying over these. I can't get over how tiny and cute and dainty they are. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to see what she comes up with next, because this is too much cuteness. And of course, I had to get the Planner Sophisticate collab. I mean, look at this box. Even the box is cute. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to repurpose this. I've seen people making pockets out of them. All kinds of great things on the Simply Gilded Facebook group, so definitely going to figure something like that out. So first up, we have the skinny roll that is pink with gold foiled hearts, and the hearts have just the tiniest little bow over on the side. Next up, we have the standard size Simply Gilded bow, and it is layered over a really pretty floral print. Next up, we have this gray roll featuring Jessenia script in gold foil. We've got Brave, Loyal, Ambitious, and based on some of the posts that I've seen, a lot of people didn't realize that this particular roll was Harry Potter based. But no worries, even if Harry Potter isn't your cup of tea, these words are still really great affirmations to have in your planner. I love that the gray is going to match no matter what your house is, your Harry Potter house, and I think it's going to look really good just with the neutral kits that are going to be coming up for fall and winter. And the last roll in that set is this really pretty one that features different stationery and planner supplies. So you've got the Simply Gilded washi, bow, pins. This is so beautiful. I love this roll. Alright, last but never least, we have Fox and Pip. This is one of the grab bags that I purchased in her recent grab bag sale. This is the Deco Pack. So I got Step Count, Polka Dot Polish, Gray Coffee Mug, the Sparkly Paper Co. collab, and Avocado Puns. And I grabbed 2 of the brunette grab bags. So this is the first one. I got Netflix and Plan, Top Knot Double Shot, The Boss, Night Owl, and Heart Eyes. And so far these are all things that I will use myself, so that's great. I mean, you never really can tell with grab bags what you're going to get, so it's always fun when it's stuff that you will actually be able to use. This is the second pack of brunette girls from the grab bag. I got Oops, I Did It Again, Gal Pals, Foot Pop, Megan, and another Oops, I Did It Again. And I also picked up one of the decal grab bags. I got 2 of those. This white glitter one, this black sparkly one, and then this pretty pink one, or metallic rose, I think. All really pretty. And now that I actually have some extras of them, maybe I will start using them and stop hoarding them. And because Amanda is amazing and generous and the sweetest person ever, she included a few extras for me. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness. I could do this all day. Just looking at the foil. She also sent me some of the new Perfect Pair bows. So I have the Signature Collection, Jenna, Rachel, Ashley, Alice, and Annie. And another order, because I can't help myself. I almost always have at least one order on the way from Fox and Pip. I picked up the new Workspace die cuts. And this is the freebie sampler that came with that order. I believe she has a few different versions of this, so it's another one of those collect them as you get them things. I'm excited to try and fill mine out. And I also picked up a couple sheets of the Workspace stickers. Some more princesses. You guys know I'm trying to also fill out my collection of those, just buying a few at a time. Got Belle, Moana, and Tinkerbell this time. And then I picked up some of the Perfect Pair bow clips to match the Perfect Pair bows. So I got Annie, Signature, and Ashley. So another awesome Fox and Pip haul for sure. I think I'm kind of set on Fox and Pip for a while, but I will also never stop buying them. So quite the conundrum. And that does it for this haul. As always, you can find links to all of the shops featured in this video down in the description below. You can also find my discount codes and a link to my Instagram where you can see photos of the different projects and setups where I'll be using these different items. I'd love it if you would like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram so I can finally hit 15K over there. If you have any questions at all, please drop those in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!